Hey, welcome back to Tech Leveler. I'm Lee, and today I have another Amazon Firestick tutorial. And in this one I'm going to show you how to find all the installed applications on your Firestick and the recently used. So first let's start off with the recently used. What you want to do is press down on your Firestick remote and keep coming down, and then you'll see this recently used section. And here will be all the recently used applications that you've currently used. To find all the current installed applications, you can press and hold the home button on your Amazon Firestick remote. Then come here and select applications. This will take you to all the applications that you have on your Amazon Firestick. You'll be able to open them up directly on this page. Now the third way is by coming to the Amazon home screen and coming all the way right to the settings, then down to applications, then down to manage installed applications, and here will be every single application that is on your Amazon Firestick. You'll be able to go into them and you'll be able to launch it directly from here, or uninstall it, clear the data, or clear the cache if anything is ever going wrong. So that's how to find all the installed applications on your Firestick and recently used. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe for many more Firestick tutorials like this one. And most of all, thanks ever so much for watching.